this is my first look for you guys at Risk Arena. I played last night. I say play, but like that is a very not the word that I would use because I was playing multiplayer with my friend Suki, and it's my first time ever. I know not a lot about the game. I do know that it's a fun game, and I was really enjoying watching him play, and it's a really hard game at that. And so I have no idea what I'm doing. I know that I'm supposed to be fighting bosses, but I don't know how to find where the bosses are located. There's chests lying around, so basically it's a roguelike, and the thing is you gotta kill monsters to get money, to buy chests, to get loot, to kill bosses, to the basic the roguelike elements. It's FPS and it's a very fun roguelike. Roguelike? Yes. I love my roguelikes. It's a very fun roguelike. And something about me is you'll figure out in the future whenever I start getting more money, playing more games, and buying more games that I've always been invested in is my favorite kind of style of video games, roguelikes. Even before the whole Balatro like blowing up, I fell in love with Binding of Isaac, and then I started falling in love with other roguelikes here and there, like Slay the Spire, there's a bunch of other ones I can't think of. Slay the Spider. Slay the Spider. I love Slay the Spider. Slay the Spire, Hades, Isaac obviously. And then I just started falling in love with it because I realized that the roguelikes that I was watching, I was getting more dopamine than the other video games that I was playing on AAA games and Call of Duty and stuff like that. And I was just like, yeah. And then I started investing in stuff like that. And so yeah. Like, see? Like, these things are chests. You buy them, you open them, they pop out items. And this is an item that is, it's whatever. It's, anytime I level up, the place of banners, I'll get stacked with everything that banner. Also, these runs tend to be, like, typical roguelike runs, 45 minutes to, like, an hour. Offer a Shrine of Chance. These things you keep putting money into, and it's basically just luck. Sometimes they'll give you items because that's what I learned. Also, you'll see something on the top right there. It says easy, and the longer you play, so you really want to do speedrun this game as fast as possible. The longer you play, the harder that you can do it. Oh wait, that's how I do that. And then on the bottom right, you will see these items. Okay, that's how I do that. I've been trying to figure it out last night, and I just didn't look. Like, you'll see my R, I jump in the air, and then I'll shoot a bunch of arrows. There's no reload. That trips me up a lot, especially when I was coming from Deadlock and like Facebook Initiator, where R was like reloading and stuff like that, and I kept hitting R. And I kept picking up his arrows, and I was like, is there like no reloading? And yeah, so there's no reloading in the game, just keep shooting. So I don't know what any of these items do, so I'm just gonna I'll probably just stick with chests most of the time and stuff like this, because unless, do they read? Yeah, they don't. I know the meat gave me health, I think? Yeah, okay, bet. I guess we're just gonna go as straight as possible. I think I remember what the bosses look like. We'll have to figure out, no guarantees. I'll just look it up or whatever. I'll just cut out the part of me just sitting here doing nothing. Yeah, it's a very fun game. From the little that I was playing, it was basically just, I made a joke because I kept dying. I was like, I really tricked you into playing a solo. But yeah, he got all the way to the boss, and even the second stage of the boss, he just scored the final boss, he doesn't wait. It was overwhelming. Just like, there. No, and see like that. See, you don't die. You just take fall damage when you come back. And I have no idea what I'm doing. I do that a lot. I'll hit shift because it's a dash, right? For this character. And then I'll just like fall off the edge because I don't know where I'm at. Yo, mega. Yo, mega. Hey. They hurt, for sure. This is not this. Where do I go? Is this it? I don't think so. Activate teleport? Is this it? This is it. Okay, okay. Man, okay. And this is the first boss stage. I think there's, so I think every stage has different stages. Like you're not always gonna get the same stage. I think at least after stage 1, because I believe this is the first stage. So after stage 1, you're not always gonna get the same stage from what I remember you telling me. So you're not always gonna get the same boss, and I don't even know. I'm getting hurt. I think we can win here. I probably should have grinded out for more items. Okay. And there we go. Yeah, so that's that confident, right, boys? How much time are we at? How much time are we at? 8 minutes? Ah, I can trick it down. I'll do another one. I'll do another one. This game genuinely is just really fun, but it's really, really difficult. It's crazy, dude. It's insane. So yeah. Yeah? Yeah, I got a different stage this time around. So yeah, okay. So each stage is a different floor. Which makes it some of them are really hard. We don't do this. This opens up elites, and it just helps with better loot and stuff like that, more gold and stuff. And it's just comfortable where you're at damage-wise, and obviously have nothing. So. But yeah, I just needed to grind out a little bit more. That was it. Got 2 fishes for my other items. Help. Ouch! You're not nice. This game is really difficult. Ooh, here's a chest. What do I get? Ooh! Equipments are powerful. Gain temporary light? How does that work? Right. Fun. Fun. Why not? It's definitely not the greatest item that I've seen so far, but it's definitely there. Help me not take so much fall damage, I don't think. Using another chest. Give me some like DPS. Health is always fun. There's just so much to this game. There's just so much to look at, just so much to take. It really is. It's just that's sweet. Ooh, 2% shades of wheat. Fun. I love watching what you do this game. Yes. chance to fire a missile. Man. I'm trying to remember where to go from here. I think he went this way. So from I've learned obviously the higher the color, the better the rarities typically. So but not every like high rarity item is good. So not every green item is gonna be better than a white item. Where are you? Oh, bigger chest. Chest. Drop it, huh? Never said. Excuse me. I don't know what that was. Oh, is it the animal packs that reset? Okay, that's probably what they are. These things are printer. You basically trade them your white items for white items, which I might actually do. I think I looked at David and said that with the blue chance. That's what that is, right? That's the same word. I don't even know. You know what? I'm not. I'm gonna keep it. Which items I have not 3D, 13, but technically third run. It's gonna be a really long video if I win, but I don't think I'm gonna win, so that's why I'm. But I'm gonna post it anyway. It's like my first time thinking. Shrine, some of the enemies shrine? I think those are those great ones. What do you see this? Are you? Yeah, okay. Like I said, not gonna do. We just came around to this circle. I always love new games. I wish somebody was here to go through, but we'll figure it out. We see flat David country calling X. That looks like 3D printer, there's a jump. And I'm probably gonna go up here to see what's up also. Hey yo. Yeah. Over here? We're already over here. I think it's up there, actually. Now that I'm looking at it, it's there. Static mode. Yo! So I'm gonna try to get up there because that looks like it would be what that arc is. I'm pretty comfortable this time around. Why? Because it's just the feeling, you know? Just open this other. What is? Oh, this is a robot. I assume you help me out. We're gonna fly you. No, I can hide. There we go. Okay, this flying thing helps a lot. Then we figure out that that's not the case. Yeah. Do something. Gotta abort. Where is this? Is that it over here? It spawns different. Oh, is this it? This is it. Okay. It spawns in different places throughout the maps and stages, so it's not always the same place. Yeah, and I do a lot of it. Or just impossible here. I don't know. Basically, just the biggest thing in this game is just running around and just like hopping in circles and stuff like that. You know that. These things, so there's like the main boss that you have to kill, and then the teleporter, you'll see the percentage you have to look for the teleporter before you teleport. Oh, how about nope? Oh wait, I can fly, that's right. We're gonna have the boss here down pretty soon. And then now we just need to survive the waves. Which, oh my gosh. 83%. I got this. I got this. Suspended dude? I think it's for jump. If I remember. Yeah, it is huge. And that's it. The teleport is done already. I'll kill this last guy, and then we can go on to the next stage. I don't know what these levels are for. Maybe they're a personal level, and not a character level. No, because I wouldn't get level 1, right? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what these levels are for. More printers. I do not enjoy. And then obviously the further the stages you go, the harder they get, for the most part. Certain stages are going to be harder than others. My friend Silky told me that typically the 4th stage is a really difficult stage. So, if I get there, can't wait to be excited for that. Here's a chest over here. Well, I'm too early. Right now. Also, are they shooting my thing? They're shooting my robot, dude. Get off of me. You did nothing to you. It's just a friendly little yo, and you're like blasting him away. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna use this. Come on, just do it. Come on, just do it. Come on. Oh, it's a elevator. We're gonna get it. I have never seen this stage, so I have no idea what it's doing. This stage is really good. I like it. I like a lot of nature. I like a lot of trees. A lot of grass and like stuff like this. I like it. I'm gonna try to start being more expressive. I could be, typically I am. Not with my wordage, but like, just with like the energy and stuff like that. Like, if I like really love something, I get very what's this? Yeah, there's more chests. That's a barrel, I think. More barrels. Like money for sure. Ooh, that's it. Ooh, it's a red item! Hype! Add 2 extra charges to your utility skill. Reduce utility skill cooldown. So my shift, I can shift more often. Okay, I mean, why not? This flying thing is actually, I think it's gonna do a lot more use. No. Don't push me up towards that, please. We're gonna go under here. Yeah, let's see. So like, I'm trying to get this Isaac content now. I just keep dying over and over and over. And then I played this game and I'm like, you know what, I can get away with it not playing this. Transform into a speeding trick down a fireball? What? Yo, that's so cool. That's so cool. What the hell? Gonna fuck everything up. Fuck it all up. I didn't actually do a lot of damage. I need to reread it. Maybe try to hit for damage. I don't know. I'm taking a lot of damage though. Speaking of. I need to be more aware of what's happening around me. Because like, when I'm shooting at a guy, I'll tunnel vision. So if there's like people behind me shooting at me, then I'm not going to be like... And I have that issue with Deadlock too. If I'm shooting at a dude and I get tunnel vision and he's at like really low health, then I'm just like, man, I just want to kill him, you know? Okay, so... This. It won't tell me again? Transform into a speeding trigger and deal damage as you mentioned. Okay, got it. I don't know what these health sacrificing thing is. I know it's something for me not to because I'm not getting enough for it. He didn't say it like that. He's a little more nice about it, but he's not wrong. How much better? Also, like, you can get multiple items through these coins. I don't know what they're for. I have 3 of these now. I just know Sophie told me that they're for certain chests. And sometimes you can get just really crappy things, or sometimes you can get really good things. And then I saw something that allowed me to like spin them, but he told me to preferably just wait it out. But, I'm taking a lot of damage here. Okay, I died. Like, honestly, it's not doing as much damage as the bad one, but it's honestly, it'll be really good for us. If I'm getting into that sticky situation, and I can just Ow. Oh wait, I don't know why I'm not just everywhere, dude. I mean, at least I'm getting a lot of money, right? Oh wait, I forget I can open it. I wonder if I can get multiple. Also, yeah, items can stack. If you look at the top, you see that I can get multiple things. Ooh, this one looks pretty. I like the color. Ooh, we're good. That's not really. This is not really. Arrow, I already have a lot of money. I don't give me money stuff. Okay. Yeah. Is this it? Or is this a shrine? Yeah, it gets kind of, it gets pretty overwhelming. For real. And this whole FPS thing, like, makes it, you know, obviously, line of sight is a thing, right? Like, Isaac can see everything around you that's shooting at you, so it makes it a little easier to dodge those buildings. Did we go back to Cerberus? What the hell? Hey, I found it. I don't know if I want to. I don't. But remember, it's here. Let me go straight and see if I can find some more chests. Loot up, and then I'll find them. Because I really haven't found that many chests. What, like 1 or 2? Like 3. 3 or 4 actually, but still. Like, I don't think I have the confidence to kill the boss, but I don't know how many chests there are typically per stage. So this might be it. I'm probably just gonna open this one up and just see if I can. Drop a healing orb on cool. Ooh! Okay. Yeah, with that, I think I'll just risk it. Unless I see like another chest somewhere on the side. But I don't think so. What's happening? I'm gonna wait till the food and brownie cake, and then I'll open the portal. I don't know if that's the way to clear. I don't know what. Yeah, I'm doing that. It's what I've noticed is it's not the bosses that do a lot of damage. I mean they do, but it's more the enemies around you that just do damage. And that's like the biggest issue. It's the shit that's going on around you. I don't know how much damage I wasn't really doing a lot. I did between 2 warbanders, they opened the stack. Oh no! Ouch! Don't die. No. Healing works? Are those what those are? Nope, that's a red whip. That is not at all what that is. It's healing more, goodbye. Is this it? That is it. Okay. We're chilling. Whew. Yeah, that was close, man. That was way too close for my liking. Sin? Do I win this match? No, I don't know. Yeah, no, that's true confidence in myself. I don't think getting the money here matters. I think I saw that. Whenever you leave, you come back with no money, right? Yeah, you come back with no money. I don't know what these circle things on the bottom are. I don't know what those are used for. I meant to ask, but I kept like not. Also, ooh, purple chest immediately. Oh, it's the funny number. But I didn't wait for that, so I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna wait till I get money. At least the enemies scale. I mean, obviously that makes sense for them to scale out with money, but like, imagine they did it and how much more difficult the game would be if like you got the same amount of money you did at stage 1 before you did this. Oh, you hurt. Oh, you hurt a lot actually. What the heck? I don't know. I think you have to like move around. Is that it? You just have to keep moving around and you just spawn and you do. But I don't want to like lose this. Also, I do no damage. I'm so weak right now. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Alright, noted. Stay away from this. It's another Warbanner. I'm so happy I spent $169 on a Warbanner. Oh my god. Not really. That was so close. Sometimes if I'm really trying to, I have sarcastic voice. For the most part. Like, if you know me, you can tell. But sometimes Oh, what? Did I just lose my egg? Oh, come back to... What? No, it's still there. What is going on? I mean, fuck it. Didn't it just become this orb that flies around me and is like dragonic egg? And I don't have to control it anymore? Hey! Hey! So far, it looks like it. So like I'm used to playing PlayStation and stuff like that growing up. Again, I played PlayStation like very rarely ever played on video games. So like yeah. So it's like, you know, I mean still playing 2 weeks, but not like actively looking at the keyboard constantly, just trying to feel my way around. I'll look at that. It's not much movement there yet. For the most part I do well, but sometimes I'll hit like sometimes it'll fuck you up. Or like whenever I'm playing Deadlock, sometimes I'll hit Q instead of 1. And then it's like, that is not at all what I need to think. I just sort of got lost in trance of what I was doing here. Chest. Chest, yeah. Damn, you're extinction. What's my eggs? I swear to God. Yo! Hey, cute little puppy dogs over here. Like, trying to give me love and playing, but I'm not ready for that. Yo, I'm not about it. I want to, but you guys will fuck me up if I do try to pet you. Okay? Lack of chests. That's the first thing I'm gonna ask. 2 things I need to ask this word thing is creative. I'm glad. Oh my god. Ah! Receive a delayed fuel I remember that. Who I make it. Increase sprint speed by 15%. Bucket. Why not? Or max health. We don't mind max health. Ooh, let's just. Fast as fuck, baby. Killing an enemy ignites other enemies on fire. Yes, gasoline! I love drinking gasoline! We kept making that joke whenever we were, when I was playing with Sophia last night. I got this item that made it to where, like fire items. Also, this is a red item thingy. I don't know which one I should buy, but they're all red items, so I'm gonna buy one. I kept making that joke. I got the item of the person that made it to where my fire items did more damage. And then like I just kept getting so much gasoline. I was just like, it's overdosing my game. Also, chill out, man. I wonder why these guys are so angry, yo. Like I'm not even shooting you. Like, is this your domicile? Have I come to like fuck your shit up, and so you're here just to like make sure that doesn't happen? fire a black hole that draws enemies in. Oh! He said this is not that good. Wait, is this fireball still spinning right now? That's right. I found that's a portal, right? I think that was a portal. I mean, he said it was alright, but the item I had. We're about to get it out. I'm gonna get a few more chests. I'm gonna go teleporter. I think picking up this orb though made it to the down doing this thing. Shit, what's Crowbar doing again? I can't remember. Alright, well, I'll revive it. I know he kept telling me to pick it up, so. Deal bonus damage to enemies 90%. Oh, yeah, huge. I'm broke? Okay. Oh, more health. I think that's it. Do I see any other chests that I can open? No? That's where I came from. Yeah, I think that's it. Sad, dude. Alright, we're gonna come here. Where was this? Oh, more chests. I think I found somewhere down there too. Drop the healing orb on. Oh, hey, we're healing. Alright, here we go. Is this you? God, I'm doing it. I mean, I'm doing some damage. I don't know. I don't know what good damage looks like compared to magic. I feel like I'm doing pretty well. You say shit, and it's really insane, but I'm also thinking it's on easy mode. But also, if I remember correctly, I didn't quite choose. And I probably would have chosen easy mode. It's the first time I'm encountered. I don't care. I don't fall into that peer pressure. Oh, you gotta do our no you. That's not true. That is not true. I got told by somebody to do hardwood for sure, then definitely. Oh, alright, that's like you didn't feel hard. There's a difference. What's the word for chill, yo? Detonate enemy field. Huge. It is almost on impossible. I'm getting quite nervous. I'm getting quite nervous. I mean, I've always been nervous, but I'm getting. This place looks pretty funny. Lizard Man. I know this guy does a lot of damage. Yo, I try to get away from that. Also, this orb is still following me around. Hell yeah. So like, whew. Okay, cool, yo. Outside? I mean, obviously, it's Halloween, right? Oh, happy Halloween! I forgot for a moment. It feels so surreal now that I'm practically 22. My birthday's on the 3rd. That is crazy, dude. I'm getting old. Holy shoot, dude. Fucking 22 is crazy, dude. This past year went by fast. I'm telling you, though. My friend, it was his birthday recently, too. And he sent me, about a month ago, he sent me some pictures. The things that we did on his last birthday. That was a year ago? Like, no way, dude. And then I thought about my last birthday and the shit that was going on with that, and I was just like, that is fucking crazy, dude. Holy fuck. Time goes way, it goes too quick. It's like the older you get, the faster it goes. Also, I'm just gonna like look at these series. I can stay here and keep writing, but like honestly, I need items. What are you? Oh, it's a 3D printer. 3D printer. We're gonna come down here and put these up. I don't know what to do. Oh, you will away, so I'll probably do that. Yeah. Like, yeah. More like animation. Also, I'm taking a lot of damage, and these guys are non-stop. Like, the last stage is like they kind of calm down after cleaning out waves, but these guys just keep on coming, they won't stop coming. Oh my god. Man, I hope you guys are enjoying. Do all the basic YouTuber stuff, like, subscribe, comment, what's up, you know? Let me know how it goes, you know? Let me know how your Halloween goes. Deal action damage to bosses. Yes! Now I have orbs and black holes that follow me! Yeah! Dopamine! Also, these guys will chill. Ow! These guys specifically. The game should totally let you people do this. Honestly, imagine writing one of these and just going around and just fucking up shit. Fucking Toshi was supposed to be on. He told me about an hour ago, and that was definitely more than an hour ago. So I'm hoping he's not hitting you up. I might pause this game and text him and just cut out the fix. Once I get breathing room, if I do get breathing room. Got a red chest with a white item. Yay, 2% chance of bleeding. Okay, man. We're gonna go pause. Alright, we're back at it. I love that stuff. So, I feel bad though, but I was also like, I just really want to like record this game. So I was playing with somebody else, and I was talking to Master about it, and it's like, yes. And like I said, I just kept recording Isaac videos over and over and over, trying to get them done. And I just keep fucking typing. Tired of it. So like with this, like it's a brand new showcase of the game. My first time recording it, it's like first time playing it myself, so like I know absolutely nothing about it, so I don't mind. Or not dying, but oh yeah, dying again. But like Isaac, the amount of hours I have in Isaac and stuff like that, I mean that's why. It's like I shouldn't, like the only non-tainted characters that I have left to get sticky notes is fucking Jacob and Esau. Oh, fucking hate fucking Jacob and Esau. Suck dick, man, I swear. But yeah, then I don't think I have other than... Yeah, I've tainted it, so I have that. But, I mean, yeah, I mean, other than that... this is still a pretty decent chunk, but... I definitely got worse at the game. I used to be a lot better, for sure. But after not playing the game ever, dude. Because I used to have a computer that I used to play with, so my dad's computer, and even before that, we had this family computer that was just slowly started shitting out on that stuff, and we just didn't want anymore. Just go around and get chests. Just sort of annoying these guys for the most part. Was there not a... Okay, almost like it's weird. Gain a recharging shield? Man. More health, more shields, more defense, better, you know? Anything down here? Not really. Also, yes, you do fall damage, so be good. Maybe something along here, but I don't know. Like this. Ooh, health? Health item? Heal all nearby allies after standing still for 1 second. Wow. That's such a funny item. I don't think it'll work for me because it specifically states allies, but let's hope, because other than that, it's useless. I almost died there. Actually, I don't know if I died there. There may have been a platform, but I definitely didn't feel like I wasn't going to die there. Also, I think that's it. I think I'm going to activate the boss and see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to get this video uploaded today. I'm hoping I do. But I really want to get something done with that one. But if not, I'll definitely have to get my video. I'll definitely get something out of it for sure. But well, I guess perfect timing, huh? Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. My first experience, you guys in the film. So, I'll definitely be playing it a lot more. And I might be playing this more than I think. But yeah, like I said, I mean, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the movie. Yeah, have a happy hour with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it for sure. It's like the only holiday that I ever celebrate, so it's like, yeah, it's what I was like, always looking up. Alright, well, adios.